Hey guys, Wonderson here, and today we are going to ride a different bike. So there you go. This is the Royal Enfield Classic 50 2017 edition. She's sexy, right? So this is the brand new bike. It is just 77 kilometers. You can see that, not even a single scratch, guys. This is a 350 model. It doesn't come with the rear disc, so that's fine because this is a different kind of bike. So we have got MRF nylon zapper at both the ends. So it is a brand new bike. Let's ride. Okay, this bike is quite roomy. I'm used to Duke 390. This is quite roomy. By the way, guys, I'm first time riding. This will be the purest form of experience that I'll share, coming from a different category of bikes. Whoa. Okay, the throttle response is pretty smooth, I should say. Okay, this is turning out to be quite smooth. काफी smooth है. You know, I'm used to a punchiness of KTM. This is turning out to be smooth. Okay, brakes don't have a lot of feedback because they are new. Oh, you have a selfie mirror as well. You see? So I'm really not used to cruise biking a lot. Actually, till now I was quite skeptical about Thunderbird and Bullet. I have never ridden this bike before, and I used to feel that it is just a heavy piece of metal. And I'm really glad that I'm turning out to be wrong in that. So the main thing, guys, is sound. The sound is really giving a good feedback to me because sound is the most important thing when you ride bike. As far as I'm concerned, I need sound to be heard by myself. Okay, so this thing is maneuverable. Let me check. Yeah, it is. At least it is more maneuverable than I thought it would be. Okay, let's check out the throttle response. Okay, not bad. So this is a 350cc bike. I guess its torque is around 20 Newton meters, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Now I'm getting the punch of it that you don't buy this bike for power. I mean, there's a lot of things that you go for to buy this bike. Probably the brand Royal Enfield, probably the ownership experience you have with this bike, probably the community, a huge strong community that it stands with. I believe these are more important things than power. And anyways, you are not racing with this bike. You are having a pride of owning a Bullet, Royal Enfield Bullet 350, right? Comment down below, guys, who have Royal Enfield Bullet. So of course there is no RPM meter, there is no any kind of set, just straightforward, simple, the speed and the kilometers, that's it. You don't get anything else. Okay, let's check out the feasibility in traffic. Okay, actually I'm getting in love with this bike. It is little vibrating, but you know that is how it is. Oh, okay. The punch it has is not bad. The punch it has is really not bad. Whoa, let's go! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God, that seat, guys, that seat is so comfortable. If your bike goes into a bump, a pothole, no problem at all. Your seat will absorb it. And this gives me a very independent feeling, man. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अलग ही लग रहा है भाई लोग. You know, it is so free. It is so free. I can't tell you guys how I'm feeling right now. ये चलाने का मजा ही कुछ और है. KTM, I'm feeling like I should be cruising at 60, 45, 60, 70 in that speed range. That is the best feeling on this bike. On a KTM, you tend to rev it hard, and maybe that's the reason. Because of the aggressive nature of KTM, it is a different kind of bike, but altogether not bad experience. I'm really enjoying Bullet. I'm really enjoying Bullet. Guys, I'm in love with this seat. Whoa. So what I believe is that Royal Enfield is a completely handmade bike. I've heard it somewhere. The Royal Enfield plant is in Chennai, and they make each and every bike with hand. That's the reason there is always a delay in delivery, because there's a lot of demand is very high and the supply is less, and that creates a waiting list. Probably that's the reason why this bike is, you don't get this bike easily. You have to wait for some days or some week or some months, depends. And when it comes to top speed, my friend was saying it goes somewhere around 130. So that's fine. I mean, you don't buy this bike for top speed, guys. If you want top speed, go to KTM. Whoa! What a horn! KTM का horn बहुत पतला है, so I'm not used to this kind of horn. When I was holding the bike, it felt a little bit heavy. When I'm in the traffic, it feels a little heavy. Now the speed is reducing and it is feeling a little bit heavy, more and more heavy as I slow down. But once I pick up the speed, the heaviness is gone. It feels really light. The moment you leave your clutch and you accelerate, it gives a punch. It gives a very sweet punch. It is not that aggressive, but yeah, it is sweet. So let's see the turning radius of this bike. I've been looking for the turning radius because KTM has a very big turning radius. So let's check it out. Okay. Very sweet, very sweet. A very small turning radius. Well, I was thinking, how about some kind of off-roading? How about that? Okay, so this is kind of a bumpy road, a small bumpy situation out here. Okay, not bad. The seat works really good. Oh my God, this is amazing. So beautiful. It was beautiful riding this bike. Please comment down below, guys, what you feel about this video, and if I should do such kind of videos more often. I would really love to ride different kinds of bike. Whoa, that's it. That's about it. If you have any question, let me know in the comments as well. I think I should give this bike to the owner. He might be getting worried by now. I'll see you in some other video, in some other vlog. Until next time, keep wandering, guys. Peace out. अभी यहाँ तक देखा है तो लाइक भी कर दो, please. So guys, that bike that I was on is of Advaith. He's my friend. And how much you got this bike for on road price?
158 Mumbai.
158 Mumbai.
1,58,000.
And how long it took for you to get the number and registration?
Actually, the waiting time is around 1.5 month.
For bike?
Yeah, for
Okay.
bike, and 20 more days for registration.
20 more days. So roughly two months, right?
Yes.
Okay, 2 months. So I told you guys this bike is on waiting as always. So yeah, that's it.